Thank you for using isit.org. This short video will walk you through how to use our Standards Alignment tool. There are two ways to access the Standards Alignment tool on our site. The first is under the Educational Videos drop-down menu along the top of the page. If you hover your mouse over Educational Videos, the drop-down will appear, and on the right, click the Standards Alignment button and you'll go right there. The second way is if you're on a video page. For this one, we'll go to the Financial Literacy section, and again, on the right-hand side, you'll see the button for Standards Alignment. Whichever way you get here, this is what you'll see. Once you're here, there are two ways to search. You can first search by standard, which means clicking the drop-down arrow here on the right and choosing the set of standards you or your school uses. For this example, we'll use Common Core, but you can see we have many different standards in our tool. Again, use the drop-down to select your subject, and again for your grade, then click Search. Once you do that, you'll see all the standards our videos cover within the grade and subject you searched. Each standard will have correlations, which show you which of our videos meet that particular standard. If you click on the correlations, you can see the list. Click on any video and you'll be taken to the video page to see that title. And that's one way to search. If we go back to the tool, which you can do by clicking the Standards Alignment button on the right side, we're back at the tool. This time we're going to search by product, and we're going to click Products right here, which will give us different search options. So you can check if a certain title meets your particular standards this way. Choose the title you want to use from the drop-down, do the same for subject, grade, and the set of standards that you use, then click Search. If there are standards that match for this title, you'll see them here. One other important tool is that no matter how you search, you'll see 4 small icons at the top of your search results to download them in Word, Excel, as a PDF, or the option to print. If you don't see the set of standards you use with your students, please email us at ask@isit.org. Or if you have any questions at all, you can call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be happy to help, and thanks for using isit.org. Critical thinking starts here.